Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back today with another 3 trades. They were all pound pairs. Today was a tough day of trading as I started trading these pound pairs about 8:30 in the morning, and it took a while for me to complete the trades. 2 of them were around 11 and 11:30 in the morning, and the other one I just closed it out around 1 p.m. Took some time to give me pips, but sometimes the market just moves very slowly. So let's run a check on these 3 pairs. Still overall, not a bad way to end a week on this Friday, November the 13th. So on this pound yen, got in once I saw that it was dropping and everything was telling me to sell, and of course including the meter. The pound was at the bottom at the time, and it's not at the bottom anymore because it's making this move back up. And definitely when I saw this blue candle and this wick right here, I knew I better just grab my pips because I didn't want to sit around for a few more hours going through this, an hour and a half or whatever it is. So I took the trade at this cursor here and I closed it out at this point. Looks like with 14 pips. And 14 pips on the pound yen paid $1,337. Now this was not a great way to trade as I teach in the videos, but it was just when it broke the goal line, then I knew that we were selling, as long as everything looking good down at the bottom, which it is. I teach exactly how to trade this way within the training videos. So let's move on to the next pair. It's the pound dollar. Let's run a check on it. Here it is here. This is a great way to trade, and that's the way I traded it. Drag and drop it up. This was the one that took the longest time for the trade to give me pips, but I got in at this cursor at this point. Did go against me about 20 pips or so, and I just closed it out, and it looks like with 15 pips, and 15 pips on the pound dollar paid $1,500. Now in real time I knew that there was a chance for it to go back down to the goal line, and at that time I knew that I could live with around a 20-25 pip stop. And that once it hit the goal line and then I saw this blue candle, I knew that it was going to give me some pips. So moving right along to the pound CAD, let's take a look at this workhorse. Another one is a great way to trade using indicators at the top and the ones down at the bottom. Got in. Let's see where I got in at. Another one did do a pullback. I should have got in either here or over here. Not a big deal. I wasn't overly worried about it, as I knew that it would just, the most it would do is go back to the goal line. Now keep in mind that these pound pairs, sometimes 20 pips will not quite hold. I measured to the bottom of the goal line, and I knew that it would need around 25 pip stop, and it went 24 pips against me. And of course I ended up closing it out here basically when I was happy, and I ended up on this trade getting 35 pips. Could have got a little bit more, but I was happy with 35 pips, and 35 pips on the pound CAD paid $2,581. Now my goal every day is to do anywhere from 2 to 5 trades, and I would like to get 50 pips or more a day. And today pip total was 64 pips, and 64 pips paid $5,419. So another great day of trading and a great way to end the week. So if your system is not producing on a daily basis great results like my Pro Trigger is, I recommend that you get your hands on it. And to do so, all you have to do is look right below and you will see this Pro Trigger. You might have noticed that I'm jumping between Pro Trigger and the HA Trigger. They both will produce exactly the same results. I can even put the HA trigger, Heikin-Ashi trigger within here and drag and drop the, which one is it, pound CAD, drag and drop it in. It's exactly the same thing. Remember, we're buying blue and selling red, but you got to follow the rules. Now, ideally, right in this area would have been a little bit better, but the same pip total does not change. And there you go for your 35 pips. And of course, if I wasn't distracted, I could have easily threw a fib on it using my advanced Fib Master tool. From the low to the high right here. This part right there. Let's bring that over first of all. This one right there. Here was the pullback. Actually, it did come back to entry 4 here. So you're looking to hit at least target 1 and everything above that. Looks like it hit 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this is my Fib Master Advanced Fibonacci tool. So whether you're using the Fib tool, Fib Master tool, or the HA trigger system or the Pro Trigger system, they all produce the same results. They all work fantastic. Let's get back to the if you wanted to see the Fib Master, it's right in here. I'll just mention this right here for you. I've been getting traders asking me about if I have any advanced Fibonacci tool or anything like that, training, and I do. It's a Fib Master full course. You can actually put this on pause and read all about it. Works with all my trigger systems, and it does have 3 gigabytes of training, and etc., etc. So let's move. I just wanted to point out that the HA trigger here, trigger system, is great for traders who do not understand and struggle with Japanese candlesticks. I really prefer Japanese candlesticks, and of course this comes in as a second close, like right in behind, as being one of my favorite trading systems. So I'll lower this one down. Let's take a look at it. My Pro Trigger system. Do charge $250. It's the same as the HA trigger, which I can put them side by side. Here's the HA trigger system and here's the Pro Trigger system. Very similar write up. I'll just go through one of them. Now you will get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. It comes with 4 MT4 templates along with 9 custom indicators and of course my favorite meter. The only difference between the two is Pro Trigger has Japanese candlesticks, and the HA trigger system I use the Heikin-Ashi candlesticks. As you can see, when I lower this down, you can see. Remove this Fibonacci right here. It's a little bit more clear now. And again, should have got in here or here. Both these entries would have been near perfect timing entries, which I do teach, by the way. Let's see. Now also give in the package a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents. That's what you're going to need to succeed. The more, the better, as you need training and education to succeed within the trading world. Now I do teach a lot of ways to trade, and that's why there's 42 training videos, and I threw in 9 bonus videos. Number one way of trading, as you can see on the right side here, is a great way to trade. That's a perfect example of it. Also, within the videos, I give out a lot of advanced training and tips and tricks. I teach how to get near perfect timing entries, along with how to stay in the trade for more pips. I also teach how to trade at the right hand edge. That's where all the new traders, or in other words 95% of traders, struggle with. They just don't know if they should be buying or selling. And I also teach how to trade the higher time frames, both on the platform. Very easy to go 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours. Take a quick look. Make sure you're going in the direction of the trend. And also you can change the time on this awesome oscillator. Obviously, also teach how to trade Pro Trigger version 2. Now in all the videos I show many great trade setups. Also teach how to back test the Pro Trigger, which I still do every weekend, on average about 8 hours. It helps me to see more clear the charts and what the chart should look like in real time action. I also teach how to scan the market, how to trade all 3 sessions, including this London close. Also teach how to trade pullbacks. This here and this here is pullbacks. And of course, if it breaks through and keeps going the opposite direction, that is a reversal, which I teach. I also teach how to trade the gold line, like here and here. These are great trading opportunities. And also teach how to trade the news, and also how to trade with a day job. In other words, you don't have to quit your day job. So if you have any questions at all, whether it be the Pro Trigger or the HA Trigger, they're both great systems. All you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. I actually do answer. In 16 years, I could never pick up the phone and talk directly to the trader. So makes you wonder sometimes, if you cannot talk to the one who is selling you the system, has to raise a red flag. In other words, they're just selling you a system. But I'm selling many systems, and I can answer all your questions, which I don't mind doing. I talk to at least 1 to 3 or 4 traders a day, every day. I'm very busy. And if you have any questions, all you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. I do prefer Skype though. And with 1 click of the mouse right here, we'll have a Skype connection. You don't even have to have Skype installed on your computer. Just click on it, and through the web version, we will be connected, and through Skype screen sharing, I will show you the charts and answer your questions, and that is totally free. Now, of course, over many years I've been building trigger systems, and if you click on this link right here, you'll see 28 screenshots. So that just about wraps up this video, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trade, good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.